Do you know what tractors changed American agriculture? Today, we're not talking about modern machines, but about the legends of the 1950s, a time when durability and power were everything. American farmers worked day and night with these machines, and they became icons of reliability. I'm going to reveal the 5 most reliable American tractors of the 1950s, and one of them has a special nickname you won't believe. Stay until the end to find out which one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more fascinating history. Now comment, I love classic tractors if you're a fan too. The John Deere Model 60 was more than a tractor. It was a statement of reliability, launched in 1952 to solidify John Deere's leading position in agriculture. This tractor was engineered to be a durable workhorse on the farm, and it excelled at that. With its powerful 6.1-liter two-cylinder gasoline engine, the Model 60 was capable of producing up to 46 horsepower, a remarkably high figure for its time, allowing it to easily pull heavy implements like 4-bottom plows or large balers. One of the most significant improvements of the Model 60 was its hydraulic power steering system, a premium feature back then. This system significantly reduced the effort required by the operator, making the task of steering a heavy machine on large fields much easier and less fatiguing. Previously, driving a tractor was an extremely strenuous job that demanded immense physical strength, but the Model 60 completely changed the game. Furthermore, John Deere's PowerTrawl hydraulic system allowed farmers to precisely control implements, enhancing work efficiency. The driver could adjust the plowing depth or the position of other tools with a simple lever, optimizing productivity. The combination of power, convenient features, and a sturdy design made the John Deere Model 60 one of the most beloved tractors. Its reliability also came from John Deere's reputation for having a wide dealer network and readily available replacement parts. Whether operating in harsh conditions like freezing winters or sweltering summers, the Model 60 rarely had major breakdowns. Farmers could easily find the necessary parts and technical support, ensuring their tractor was always in top condition. The Model 60's design, though simple, was optimized for easy maintenance. Key components were logically arranged, making routine checks and repairs straightforward. The John Deere Model 60 wasn't just a tool, it was a dependable companion, an indispensable part of many farms throughout the 50s and the decades that followed. To this day, many Model 60s are still in working order, cherished by collectors and classic farmers as a living legacy of American agriculture, a testament to an era when machines were built to last forever. The story of the Model 60 is a story of a design philosophy, creating products that are not only powerful but also reliable, easy to repair, and able to serve farmers for many years. The combination of a strong engine, modern hydraulics, and a sturdy design helped the John Deere Model 60 stand firm in history as one of the most reliable tractors of the 1950s, a legacy still valued today. The Allis-Chalmers WD 45, launched in 1953, became a symbol of a revolution in tractor technology, combining superior power with unprecedented innovation. Despite competing with giants like John Deere and Farmall, the WD 45 carved out its own legacy thanks to a groundbreaking exclusive feature, its traction booster system. This was no minor improvement. It was a revolutionary change in how tractors transferred power. The system allowed the tractor to automatically shift a portion of its weight from the front to the rear wheels when it encountered a heavy load, such as pulling a plow through tough soil. By increasing the pressure on the rear wheels, it significantly boosted traction, reduced wheel slippage, and allowed the tractor to work more efficiently in the most difficult conditions. This technology helped farmers save time, fuel, and reduce tire wear, a huge economic advantage at the time. The WD 45's powerful 4-cylinder gasoline engine was capable of producing up to 45 horsepower, allowing it to easily outperform many competitors in its class. With this power, the WD 45 not only excelled at plowing, but also effectively pulled other heavy implements, making it an indispensable, versatile tool on any farm. The reliability of the WD 45 was also solidified by its simple yet incredibly sturdy design. Its one-piece cast steel body allowed it to withstand the toughest jobs in the field without bending or failing. The WD-45's hydraulic system was designed for a continuous operation, enabling farmers to easily control implements without having to stop the machine. Its durable performance and ease of maintenance made the WD-45 a top choice for small and medium-sized farms. This tractor was produced in large quantities, and thanks to its solid construction, many are still in good working condition today, a testament to its timeless quality. The WD-45 was not just a tool, it was a part of progress, helping generations of farmers increase productivity and work efficiency. Its easy-to-fix design was also a huge plus, allowing farmers to perform their own maintenance without needing too many complex tools. With its combination of strong power, advanced technology, and superior durability, the Allis-Chalmers WD-45 deserves to be one of the most reliable tractors of the 1950s. This machine not only helped farmers work more efficiently, but also gave them peace of mind, knowing they had a machine they could depend on. The Farmall Super H, launched in 1953, is a prime example of a classic design combined with valuable improvements. It was an upgraded version of the highly successful Farmall H, with several key enhancements that boosted performance and reliability. The Super H's four-cylinder gasoline engine was upgraded to produce about 30 horsepower, a significant increase from its predecessor. A standout feature of the Super H was its live hydraulic system, an advanced feature for its time. This system allowed farmers to raise and lower implements independently of the clutch and transmission, making work much more flexible and efficient. The signature high-clearance design of the Farmall, with its high ground clearance, allowed it to easily move over rows of crops without causing damage. The reliability of the Farmall Super H stemmed not only from its engine power but also from its simple, sturdy, and easy-to-maintain structure. With its 5-speed transmission, it allowed the driver to select the right speed for each specific task, from heavy plowing to lighter jobs. The Super H's durable and stable performance on various terrains and in different weather conditions made it an essential tool for small and medium-sized farms. The Farmall Super H was produced in large quantities, and thanks to its popularity, replacement parts and technical support were always available, ensuring the tractor could operate reliably for many years. The Farmall Super H was more than a tractor. It was a part of the American agricultural legacy. It helped thousands of farmers increase productivity and reduce strenuous manual labor. Although its horsepower wasn't the highest in its class, the combination of durability, convenient features, and a user-friendly design made the Super H a smart and reliable choice. Today, many Farmall Super H's are still in use or on display, serving as living proof of the quality and durability of 1950s tractors. It represents a period where simplicity and reliability were the keys to success, a philosophy that remains relevant today. To celebrate its 50th anniversary, Ford launched the Golden Jubilee tractor in 1953, and it quickly became an icon. This tractor wasn't overly bulky, but it made a strong impression with its 2.2-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine, producing around 31 horsepower, enough power to work efficiently on small farms. The most remarkable thing about the Golden Jubilee was its unique nickname, the Red Tiger. This wasn't a random name, it referred to its powerful and improved hydraulic system. This system helped lift and control farm implements with precision, making work easier than ever. The reliability of the Ford Model A Golden Jubilee came from its simple design and robust construction. Despite its compact size, it was built to withstand heavy work. Its transmission and clutch were designed for years of reliable operation, and maintenance was relatively easy. The Ford Model A was produced in large numbers, and thanks to its popularity, replacement parts were always available. This allowed farmers to effectively repair and maintain the machine themselves, minimizing downtime in the field. The combination of a compact size, efficient hydraulics, and durability made the Golden Jubilee an ideal choice for small farms and gardening work. The Ford Model A Golden Jubilee was more than a tractor. It was a symbol of innovation in compact tractor design. It proved that a tractor didn't have to be massive to be powerful and reliable. With its unique design and advanced features, the Golden Jubilee became one of the most beloved classic tractors of the 1950s. Today, many of them are still preserved and displayed, serving as a vibrant testament to the quality and durability of Ford products. The Oliver Super 77, launched in 1954, was a machine that represented the pinnacle of power and efficiency. It was considered one of the most powerful and reliable tractors of the 1950s, especially for tasks requiring significant pulling power. The Super 77's six-cylinder engine, available in both gasoline and diesel versions, produced up to 48 horsepower. A standout feature of the Oliver Super 77 was its hydro power drive transmission, a power-assisted gearbox that allowed the driver to shift into higher gears without stopping or using the clutch, saving time and increasing work efficiency. The reliability of the Oliver Super 77 also came from its sturdy structure and refined design. Oliver had a reputation for producing tractors that could operate stably and durably for many years. The Super 77's hydraulic system was also very powerful and precise, allowing it to easily handle heavy farm implements. Whether working on large fields or on difficult terrain, the Oliver Super 77 always demonstrated superior durability and power. Oliver was also known for using high-quality materials, ensuring that their tractors could withstand the rigors of farm work. To this day, the Oliver Super 77 is still considered a classic tractor, highly valued by collectors. It was not just an efficient farming tool, but also a symbol of technological advancement during that era. With its combination of a powerful engine, an advanced transmission, and a durable structure, the Oliver Super 77 deserves its place as one of the most reliable tractors of the 1950s. It played a crucial role in modernizing agriculture and helping farmers work more efficiently, a legacy that is still remembered. There you have it, the 5 machines that made American agricultural history: the Farmall Super H, the Ford NAAA Red Tiger Golden Jubilee, the Allis-Chalmers WD 45, the John Deere Model 60, and the Oliver Super 77. Each of these tractors is a legend with incredible power and durability. If you have a favorite tractor on this list, tell me why in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great vehicle history videos. See you in the next one.